So what we will do is we will test the voltages for the cells that we've made. This is the Parrot cells, which I've been keeping for a while, and I put them together with a GiFi board, but I might have to use a new set of cells, because even though this one was charged up to, I'm not too happy with the voltages on the battery. So voltage across is 11.97. So we'll go cell 1, 3.9, cell 2, 4.11, cell 3, 3.94. So they're not very even or balanced, so I might use a good pack of Parrot cells with the GiFi PCB and do another test. I did, however, put the GiFi batteries, the GiFi cells, onto a Parrot PCB and charge them up with the Parrot charger, and we will see what the voltages look like. Just put this like that. Check the voltage across. 12.4445, cell 1, 4.15, cell 2, 4.14, cell 3, 4.13. So that's close enough to being perfectly balanced. I'll just mount this on the bebop. So which way does it go? Don't mind the nose cone. I'm still working on my camera focusing mod, so don't worry about that. That's not important right now. Okay, so we will go now and do the flight. Alright, we're done with the flight. I had a problem where my phone did not save the flight data from the actual flight, so I will have to charge up the battery and come back and do it again. But we'll just check the battery, the cell voltages after the flight, and I flew it until the until the drone landed itself automatically, and that was at 1%. So we will check the battery voltages, the cell voltages at 1% after an automatic landing. Voltage across the battery is 11.10 volts. Cell number 1 is 3.7 volts. Cell number 2, 3.7 volts. Cell number 3, 3.68 volts. So the discharge is okay, fairly balanced. Two of them were exactly the same and one was just slightly off. So I think that's pretty good with the GiFi cells. So what I'm going to do next is try and figure out why my flight data wasn't recorded with the app. I think it may be a problem with the Android app, so I will have to uninstall and reinstall the app and add my account again, and see if it can start logging my data again on Android.